Go say good job to him. Go say good job. Go say good job. Yes. Good job, you guys.
Good job, Sparklers.
And first place, Minnie B. Lyrical. St. Cloud.
Go say good job. Go say good job. Minnie Lyrical, go say good job to them. Walk over there and say good job. This is part of learning. Yep, go say good job. We didn't do our best today, so like, it's okay.
Yeah, there's gonna be.
Yeah, you're not gonna win everything.
And there's gonna be times you slip or you do.
Yeah,
You know.
and you just get better from it. That's it. I've cried to them 4 times today, I think.
Oh no.
I think they probably think I'm just a weirdo, don't you?
No.
I've cried a lot because then I was crying to them about how I'm not ever gonna be mad if they fall, and then I was crying. I'm a weirdo.
Claire, you look
I'm overtired, I think.
We're going to begin in 30 seconds.
Are you ready to like monkey biz, monkey biz, monkey business?